Hey everybody, Christine Chai here and welcome to my kitchen. This may be a little bit corny, but I am going to show you how to make a delicious cream corn. Let's get started. Starting with the end in mind, cook the bacon that will go on top of the corn. Cook the bacon in the oven on an aluminum foil covered sheet pan. This is my favorite way to cook bacon and makes for easy cleanup. Bake in a 450-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's as crispy as you like it. In the comments below, let me know how you like your bacon, crispy or limpy. After removing it from the oven, line a plate with paper towels and then place the bacon on top. This helps remove the extra grease. Set the bacon aside. For the corn, heat a saucepan over medium-high heat and add the butter. When the butter is melted and starting to foam, add the flour. Whisk the flour for a few seconds to cook off the raw taste. Add cream cheese and whisk quickly so it doesn't burn. Keep stirring until the cheese has melted. Slowly pour in the heavy cream and continue to stir. Keep stirring until the mixture is all mixed together. Add the sugar, salt, pepper, and Colby Jack cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is all melted and the sauce is smooth. Add the frozen corn. I like to use a mixture of sweet white corn and yellow corn. This gives it more flavor and adds color. Let the mixture cook for a few minutes to heat up the corn. This recipe makes for the perfect side dish and is so easy to make. Dish it up and garnish with bacon and green onions. Give me a thumbs up if you're a fan of creamed corn. Like always, you can find this recipe in the description below. Thank you for subscribing to my channel so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.